Another day, another story. Keyword research and optimization is the process of identifying relevant keywords and phrases to target in your website content and metadata to improve your website's visibility in search engine results. It is a crucial aspect of search engine optimization, SEO, as it helps determine what people are searching for and what content you should create to attract them. The process of keyword research involves identifying the keywords and phrases that your target audience is using to search for products or services related to your business. The goal is to determine what your potential customers are searching for, and what keywords and phrases you should target in your website content and metadata in order to improve your visibility in search engine results. The following are the steps involved in the process of keyword research. Identify your target audience. Understanding your target audience, including their needs, interests, and search habits, are crucial to finding the right keywords to target. Identify your target keywords. Start by brainstorming a list of keywords and phrases related to your business. Consider what your target audience might be searching for, as well as any relevant industry-specific terms. Use keyword research tools. There are several keyword research tools available, such as Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and RFs, which can help you understand the search volume, competition, and potential traffic for each keyword. Analyze search volume and competition. Look at the search volume and competition for each keyword, and prioritize those with high search volume and low competition. Identify long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are more specific and tend to have lower competition and higher conversion rates. Consider including long-tail keywords in your list of target keywords. Evaluate your list. Review your list of keywords and eliminate any that are not relevant to your business. Assess the relevance and potential of each keyword. Consider the relevance of each keyword to your business and its potential to drive traffic and conversions. Create keyword groups. Organize your list of keywords into groups based on their relevance and potential, and prioritize those with the highest potential. Monitor and refine your list. Regularly review and refine your list of target keywords, and stay up to date on industry trends and changes in search behavior. In conclusion, keyword research is an essential aspect of SEO and can help you identify the keywords and phrases that will drive the most traffic and conversions to your website. By regularly monitoring and refining your keyword strategy, you can ensure your website remains relevant and visible in search engine results. That kind of keyword? There are several types of keywords that can be used in SEO, including broad keywords. Broad keywords are general, non-specific terms that can describe a wide range of products, services, or topics. These keywords often have high search volume, but also high competition and low conversion rates. Long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are more specific and tend to have lower competition and higher conversion rates. They often consist of 3 or more words and are more targeted to a specific audience. Short-tail keywords. Short-tail keywords are single words or simple phrases that are very general in nature. They often have high search volume and competition, but low conversion rates. LSI keywords. LSI, latent semantic indexing, keywords are related terms and phrases that are semantically connected to the main keyword. These keywords help search engines understand the context and relevance of a piece of content. Brand keywords. Brand keywords are terms that specifically refer to a company, product, or service by name. These keywords are important for building brand recognition and visibility in search engine results. Local keywords. Local keywords are keywords that target specific geographic locations, such as city or state names. These keywords are important for businesses targeting a specific local audience. Industry-specific keywords. Industry-specific keywords are terms that are specific to a particular industry and can help a business rank for searches related to that industry. Product or service keywords. Product or service keywords are terms that describe specific products or services that a business offers. These keywords are important for businesses looking to drive traffic and conversions related to their products or services. The type of keyword used will depend on the specific goals and objectives of a business and its target audience. A well-rounded SEO strategy will typically involve a combination of different types of keywords.